Welcome back. Welcome back to our lesson in part 2. Now, another example is this: convert the following currencies to its stated equivalent. Convert the following stated currencies to its stated equivalent. So 530 dirham to euro. 530 dirham to euro. So first of all, I have 530 dirham. I need to change them to euro here in Kenya, in our banks, because I have come from that country which has the currency of dirham. I want to go to another country which has euros, but I'm here in Kenya, pass through here in Kenya. So I have dirham now. Which column do I go for? Because I have dirham, so I need to get shillings first. I need to change my dirham to shillings. So which column do I go? I go for the column of buying. So one dirham is exchanged or is bought. The bank will buy one dirham. The bank will buy one dirham at the rate of 27 shillings. 27 shillings point 8073. So the bank, as we have seen from the table, if we go back to the table, I don't know whether dirham is not here, but we are told that one dirham is bought at 27.8073 shillings. These are shillings. So in that case, if we have 530 dirham, how many shillings do we have? We cross multiply, so we'll have 530 multiplied by 27.8073 dirham, divide by 1. So we are going to have shillings. 11 shillings, 557.00 shillings. These are shillings now. So that is the much we are going to have. Then, because we have shillings now here in Kenya, we want the shillings to be exchanged to euro. We want the shillings now to be exchanged to euro. Now, the bank will now sell us euros. The bank will now sell euros to us. And how much is 1 euro sold? 1 euro is sold at, the bank will sell 1 euro, the bank will sell 1 euro at 109.8522. If you go back to the table, that table up there shows us that 1 euro is sold at how much? 1 euro is sold at 109.8522. That is the much the bank sells. So, how many shillings do we have that will buy the euro that we need? We have 11 shillings, 557.00. So how many euros are we going to get? So we cross multiply that, and therefore we are saying that we are going to have 11,557.00 multiplied by 1, we divide that by 109.8522. So 11,557 divided by 109.855. This is equivalent to the 530 dirham. Because we had 530 dirham, we exchanged them to shillings. That gave us 11,557 shillings. So 11,555 shillings is equivalent to 530 dirham. Now we want to change that 11,557 shillings to euro, which is still equivalent to 530 dirham. So we divide that by 109.8522. How many euros are we going to get from there? Now once we cancel that, we are getting 105.170 euros. So 530 dirham will be equivalent to 105.170 euros. In other words, if you have dirham and you want to exchange to euros, there is no table that will show us that will directly change dirham to euros. We need to change the dirham first to shillings, and then the shillings will change them to euros. Let's go ahead and look at another example. Now this is an example, word example that gives us certain activity that was done. During a certain month, the exchange rate in a bank were as follows. During a certain month, the exchange rate were as follows. So the exchange rate were $1 was bought at 91.65 shillings, and then it was sold at 91.80 shillings. So this table is going to be used specifically for that question. That €1 is bought at 103.75 and sold at 103.93. So the question is, a tourist left Kenya to the United States. He left Kenya to the United States with Kenya shillings 1 million. Kenya shillings 1 million. Because he was coming from Kenya, he had shillings. So on the airport, he exchanged all the money. That means he exchanged all the shillings to dollars, and then spent $190 on air ticket. While in US, he spent $4,500 for upkeep and proceeded to Europe. While in Europe, he spent a total of 2,000 euros. How many euros did he remain with? That is the question. We will always get such questions like this. These are the questions that we'll get in our exchange rate. So first, we know that this man had shillings, Kenya shillings. So he wanted to change the Kenya shillings to dollars. Which column do we go for? That is the question we ask ourselves. Do we go for the column of buying? Do we go for the column of selling? But because he has shillings, the bank will sell him the dollars. So we go for the column of selling. The bank will sell him the dollars. So that means $1. This one will be, the bank will sell at 91 shillings 0.80. And how many shillings does he have? He has 1 million shillings. 1 million shillings. So what or how much will he get as an equivalent in terms of dollars? So we say how many dollars will you get? It is a million. We just simply cross multiply. So it will be a million divided by the 91.180 shillings. So in other words, this man is going to get $10,893.25 dollars. That is the much he's going to get. So before he leaves, he's going to be given $10,893.25 dollars. Then, while he was in US, he used 190. Before he left, he used $190 for air ticket, and then he used a further $4,500 for upkeep while he was there in US. So the total amount of dollars he used, how much did he use in total? So the used dollars were 190 plus 4,500. This gives us 4,690 in total. So that is the much he used. So if that is the much he used, how much remained in terms of dollars? How much remained in terms of dollars? If he had 10,893.25, how much did he remain with? So the remaining amount of dollars were 10,803.25 minus 4,690. 10,893.25 minus the ones that he used, 4,690. And therefore, he remained with $6,203.25 dollars. So these dollars are the ones that he was supposed now to change them to make them euros. Okay? To make them euros, so that from the euros, see how much he used and how much euro he remained with. Now look at this. If he exchanges these dollars to euros, now he has dollars. He wants to change them to euros. Again, we don't go directly to euros. We need to change them to shillings first. In our case, so $1, we will go for the column now of selling. $1 is sold. We'll go for the column of buying. The bank will buy the dollars because I have this number of dollars now. I have the dollars. The bank there will now need to buy those dollars I have. So the $1 will be bought by the bank at the rate of 91.65 shillings. So if I have 6,203.25, how much shillings will this be? So we cross multiply and we get 6,203.25 multiplied by 91.65. So we multiply. So this one is going to give us shillings. How much shillings are we going to get? 568,278.86 shillings. 86 shillings. So this is going to be an equivalent of the 6,203 $3,000.25. Now, these shillings now needs to be changed to euros. So I have shillings now, I need to change them to euros. So that means the bank will sell me the euros. The bank has the euros and it will sell those euros to me at the rate of €1. The bank will sell it at the rate of 103.93. So if I have shillings, I have 568,278.86 shillings. How much euros do I have? So you cross multiply again. So that means we are going to have 568,278.86. We multiply by 1, divide by 103.93. So how many euros will this be? How many euros will this be? It's simply going to give us 5,470.30 euros. But remember, you are told that he used 2,000 euros. He used 2,000 euros. So how much did he remain with? The remaining amount of euros will be subtract 2,000 from 5,470.30 minus the 2,000. So that means he remained with 3,470.30 euros. That is the much he remained with. And that is the question asked in that particular statement. How many euros did he remain with after using 2,000 euros? So he remained with 3,470.30 euros while he was in Europe. So thank you very much. We are going to stop there for today. We meet next time.